You searched how to buy shares of Webuy Global Ltd. Webuy Global Ltd. is a publicly traded company on NASDAQ under the ticker WBUY, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker WBUY to find Webuy Global Ltd. Select the result that shows the NASDAQ listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the company overview and check the price chart to confirm this is Webuy Global Ltd. Verify the NASDAQ listing and the ticker WBUY before you proceed. To place a purchase, click Invest, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or scheduled according to the platform. If you lack sufficient funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before the purchase can be completed. Once the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to learn more.